Hey, it's Juliet from WTI. I have been looking to get more comfortable pants. That is like my life mission. So I gave these a try and I am super happy I did. These are one of the most comfortable yet cute pants that I own. The waistband is super stretchy and the pockets are like at the perfect level and they are really nice pockets. They're comfortable. I also like the length. So these hit me right at my ankle where I wanted them to hit me. Now I kind of have shorter legs and a longer torso, but I really like how these work. So if you have shorter legs and a long torso, these I think are the perfect length and they hit right at your waist where you want them to hit, but then also right at your ankles, which for me can be difficult to find pants that fit like that. Now I got a size large. Normally, I feel like in a lot of things I would order a medium, but after reading the sizing, I went with a large and I'm very happy I did. So not only has it given me a little bit of extra space, but I think they fit nice and loose. They're not super tight. I like the fit that they have with me getting a large, even though normally I would get a medium. So if you're looking for very comfortable pants, I've worn them all day. They're really nice. Get these pants. They're super breathable as well. And that's my point of view.